Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought a very simple pattern for you which you can use in ladies, gents and baby sweaters, blankets, shawls, caps, jackets. From backside it looks like this. For this pattern I have used basic cast on and ribbing. We have to cast on multiple of 3 stitches plus 2 for edge, and this is 4 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 11 stitches, multiple of 3 times plus 2 for edge. Let us start now. This is our first row. Slip first stitch and then yarn over and slip next stitch. Now knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here we have completed our first repeat. Again yarn over, slip 1 stitch, then knit 2 stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. Yarn over, slip and knit 2 stitches. This is third repeat. Now last stitch, edge stitch. We have completed here our first row. Now we will start our second row. For second row, slip first stitch and then purl 2 stitches. And slip 2 stitches together. Again purl 2 with yarn in front. Slip 2 stitches. This is our second repeat. Purl 2, slip 2 stitches, third repeat, and last stitch, knit 1. Here we have completed our second row. Now we will start third row. For third row, slip first stitch, yarn in back, slip 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. Now twist first and second stitch right to left from front side and knit both together. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now again slip 2 stitches with yarn in back. Now knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now twist 2 stitches which we have already slipped right to left from front side. Now knit both stitches together. Here we have completed our second repeat pattern. Now again slip 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches and twist first 2 stitches right to left from front side and knit 2 together from back loop. Now knit last edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Let us start our last row now. Slip first edge stitch and then slip 1 stitch, and purl 2 stitches and twist first stitch of pattern from back side and purl second repeat pattern, slip 1 stitch, purl 2 stitches 1 and 2. Now twist first slip stitch to left from back side and then purl it. This is our second repeat pattern. Again our third repeat pattern, slip 1 stitch, purl 2 stitches and twist first slip stitch from back side and purl it. Now knit last edge stitch. Here we have completed our fourth row. After few repeats your pattern will look like this. Please give it a thumbs up and also click on subscribe and bell icon